Good morning, dear students. Welcome to you in our lesson today, symmetrical figures and lines of symmetry. What's the line of symmetry? Look at this figure here. We have straight line XY represents a line of symmetry for the figure ABCD, this figure. If ABC is folded around XY such that the right part congruent with the left part, in this case, this figure ABC is symmetrical figure around this line XY. Drill 1. Look at drill 1. Determine the symmetrical figures of the following and draw one line of symmetry for each one of them. Figure 1 symmetrical, and this is line of symmetry. Figure 2 symmetrical, and this is line of symmetry. Figure 3 also symmetrical, and this is the only line of symmetry. Figure 4 symmetrical, and this is line of symmetry. Figure 5 symmetrical, and this is line of symmetry. Figure 6 symmetrical, and this is the line of symmetry. Figure 7 not symmetrical, there is no line of symmetry. Figure 8 not symmetrical, there is no lines of symmetry. Figure 9 is symmetrical, and this is the line of symmetry. Look at drill 2. We have straight line AC, this straight line AC, this straight line. AC divides the parallelogram ABCD to two congruent triangles, but it is not line of symmetry of the parallelogram. Look at drill 3. We have the straight line BD and the straight line AC. These are two lines of symmetry of rhombus. So we note that these figures have no lines of symmetry, and there are figures have one line of symmetry, and there are also figures have more than one line of symmetry. So look at with me to this table. Figure number 1, the equilateral triangle have three lines of symmetry. Isosceles triangle have one line of symmetry. Scalene triangle have 0 lines of triangle. Parallelogram, we said that have 0 line of symmetry. Rectangle have 2 lines, and also rhombus have 2 lines. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. Trapezium have no lines of symmetry. Number of lines of symmetry equals 0. Isosceles trapezium have 1 line of symmetry, and the circle has infinite number of symmetry. Look at exercise number 2. Number 1, put true and false and correct the wrong statement. Letter A, the parallelogram has 4 lines of symmetry. False. The rectangle has 4 lines of symmetry. False. Scalene triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. False. The isosceles trapezium has 1 line of symmetry. True. The square has 4 lines of symmetry. True. The rhombus has 4 lines of symmetry. False. Rhombus has 2 lines. Parallelogram 0. Rectangle 2. and scalene 0. Number 2, in the figure opposite, in this figure, ABCD is a square with midpoints of its sides x, y, z, and n. Notice the figure, then answer the following questions. Question number A, draw a common line of symmetry for the two squares. He wants me to draw one line of symmetry to be common for two squares. This line may be this, or this, or this, also this line. How many common lines of symmetry are there for the two squares? We draw 4 lines. Exercise number 3, join each figure to its number of lines of symmetry. 0, we said the trapezium has 0 lines of symmetry, and also parallelogram. 1 line of symmetry, isosceles trapezium, and this line should be here, and the isosceles triangle, this line should be here. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. These 2 lines are this line and this line. 4 lines of symmetry, the square. We draw them before. This line, this line, this line, and also this line. If we have equilateral triangle, we want to know where is the position of the lines of symmetry of it. This is line of symmetry, and also this is line, and also this is another line. If we have a circle, we want to know the position of the lines of symmetry of it. This is line of symmetry. This is line of symmetry. This is also line of symmetry, and this is line of symmetry, and so on. The next lesson, dear students, called visual patterns. In visual patterns, we should, at the first, know the pattern or know the rule, and follow by the same rule. Look at the one with me. Number 1, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. The pattern sequence is the letters A, B, C. In this pattern, the pattern sequence is this pattern. In number 3, the pattern is this pattern. This is the pattern sequence. And number 4, 190, 80, the pattern is -10. So the next sequence is 70, 60, 50, and so on. Look at exercise number C, 13.2, 13.4, 13.6. The pattern is increase to 10th, so the next number is 13.8, 14, 14.2, 14.4. Letter D, 10, 9.6, 9.2, the pattern is decrease 4/10. So the next number is 8.8, 8.48. Letter E, AB, ABB, ABBB. This means this the sequence of pattern. This is the sequence. So the next word is A, B, B, and so on. A, B,